Like, share, subscribe. Good morning. What's up, you guys? Well, today is Friday, last day of the week, and I think we just got one move today. We're moving a 65-ton RT crane. Just got to the yard, got the truck warming up, airing up. Just did a pre-trip, and yeah, so figure I'll start the video out real quick right here and give you guys a heads up what we're doing. Just to keep you up to date, still don't have the mics working yet. I haven't had a chance to go to the store and get the cord I need. So bear with me on this video. I'd rather make something than nothing. And yeah, so appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys in a second. Like, share, subscribe. Y'all remember, no mic. This is the crane I'm picking up. All right, you guys, so at this point, as you can see, the crane operator was going to the right of the screen. But unfortunately, he wasn't able to go that way, because if he did, there was no way for him to turn around. I need the crane boom to be at the back of the trailer. So basically what I have him doing is backing up. And you'll see me, there I am. You'll see me maybe go walk off screen, but I'm gonna guide him to go the right direction. So I need him to go to the left. And then back up past the trailer, then get squared up with the trailer and lined up, so then I can just get him to pull onto the trailer. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on right here. This is a RTC 8065 crane. It's fully dressed. It has its counterweights, and it has its accessories and the toolbox and stuff on top. Just here shortly, I'll turn the camera so you can actually see me as I'm loading it up. Yeah, so you see now I turn the camera. All right, now you guys have an idea. So if he was to have came and continued going right, it would have been real tight for him to do like a 360 turn in here. So backing down was the best way. All right, so you'll see at this point he's getting himself squared up, and then I'm looking at it, trying to make sure and figure out exactly where center is. So with this crane, I didn't know that you can have the front axle and the back axle maneuver in different ways. I thought it was fixed where the front axle, the one closest to where I'm standing, is going to be the one that turns, and the back axle is stationary. That's what I thought, until I saw it and realized, okay, they both articulate. And then he told me that he can actually control it to where he can lock the axles individually so it can turn a certain way. So you guys will see right here, I had to throw some wood down. The way the ground was in the crane, there was an incline, so the crane struggled a little bit to get loaded up, but once we put the blocks and he kind of gave it a little, momentum, it finally climbed the trailer. And you'll see here that I have them move around and try to get it lined up as straight as possible. Once again, guys, I don't have a mic. the cord that normally controls the mic where you guys can hear me talking throughout this whole situation is I broke it. Stuff happens. It is what it is. I broke it while I was recording another previous video. Off camera, making sure that he knows whether to keep straight, turn, or whatever. So you see me walking to the back, making sure that it's even all the way around. This joker is big and it takes up every inch of this trailer. So at this moment, you'll see I noticed that I'm still hanging off a little bit on the backside, so he's gonna have to pull up more. All right, so I had to move the camera because, like I said, I have to bring them all the way up. So, like where the pads are mounted in the middle, and that whole bracket right there of the crane has to come up to the lip of the trailer. Right there. You'll see it might touch just a little bit, which is fine. All right, so I'm about to back up to this crane. It's a little bigger than what we thought. Meaning like they were supposed to take the counterweight off and all that stuff, and this thing is fully dressed still. It's not a big deal. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna set you guys down so I can back up to this bad boy. All right, y'all, well, that's it. Got it loaded. It's a big girl. Like I said, got it loaded. Ready to ride. Got this crane loaded up. We on 95 headed southbound. We got a good, we started with 2 hours on the trip. Now we have a good hour and a half. So just cruising along. She's a little top heavy. When you're going around the curves, the truck is wanting to lean, which is normal. I mean, what can you do, right? All you can do is ride it out. So, hey, while I got your attention, why don't you hit the like button? Maybe share it. Make sure you're subscribed. I think about 92% of the people that are watching these videos aren't subscribed. So just give a subscribe, man. It don't cost nothing. I mean, if you like the content, if you don't, I get it. It's not a big deal. I have like a 90% return rate, so that's a good amount of people that's coming back watching the videos, you know, one after the other. So if that's you, I appreciate you, man. Yeah, just hit the share button, hit the like button, and comment, man. So I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you when we get there. All right, well, we made it.
All right, y'all, well, you pretty much saw what that was. Got the crane offloaded. It's over there at the jump site. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.